Omaha Computing Solutions offers a powerful workhorse for professionals in the form of the HP EliteDesk 800 G4 Workstation. This workstation features an Intel Core i7-8700 processor running at 3.20 GHz, providing speed and performance for demanding tasks. With 16 GB of RAM, multitasking and running multiple applications simultaneously become a breeze. The 500GB SSD offers ample storage space for your files and applications, ensuring quick access to data. Running on Windows 10 Pro, this workstation provides a familiar and secure operating system for users. Windows 10 Pro offers enhanced security features and productivity tools, making it ideal for business use. Omaha Computing Solutions delivers this high-quality workstation, ensuring reliability and performance for professionals who rely on their computers for work. Whether you're a creative professional working on demanding projects, a business user needing a reliable workstation for everyday tasks, or a power user requiring speed and efficiency, the HP EliteDesk 800 G4 Workstation is equipped to meet your needs. Upgrade your computing experience with this powerhouse from Omaha Computing Solutions.